question is, how much will we read the instructions today? Well, power's out. All right, new day in the shop. Project that we've been needing to do for a while. So we got the Duramax in here. This is our tow rig. This is what we haul everything with. So it's been needing this for a while. We got ourselves a Firestone airbag kit. So supposedly this kit doesn't require any drilling holes in my dash, none of that. It's all Bluetooth to my phone, so I can control the air from there. So that's enticing to me. Let's see what they got. Evidently it puts out some air because that's an air chuck to air up your tires. That's the control module for in the truck. That's cool. The question is, how much will we read the instructions today? A lot? Not very much? We need them. Or we should just burn them right now? No. Okay. It's running the same style pump that we run on all our other stuff. So it's gonna put air out, we know that. That's a good pump. Firestone air compressor, so it's their own. We got some parts. Harness. Yeah, that's the brain.
There's your mail.
Just set her down wherever you can. Pretty wet smell.
Oh yeah, they're huge. I thought you were calling me a little plate.
No.
Like, what the heck?
If the shoe fits.
The shoe fits.
Yeah, if it fits, you just wear it. There's all the parts I was looking for. Alright.
What is that stuff for? That looks like an air compressor.
That's because it is.
See, look at that. I see that. All right on.
And then we got these banjo things.
Those are airbags.
Oh, is that what they are?
Banjo things.
Thought we were joining a band.
The Fab Rat hillbillies.
Yeah. Well, that's not far off.
That is not far off. You're right.
Cool. Yeah. What does it say in our instructions?
The ones you burn?
Yeah, burn anything. We have to keep them. This one's probably the most important one to keep. Pictures? No, this is all the electronic.
Yeah. That's the phone stuff.
Yeah.
You're not going to have to reroute the motor or anything.
No, this is going to be... We're going to have this done before lunch. Because we have to.
I'm taking bets on this.
Does it say take the tires off?
It shows it without one. Whatever that says.
We'll take the tires off.
I was honestly thinking I was going to look stupid for 10 minutes. Which way is she pointing? Doesn't show the vehicle. I'm just curious how that holds it. It does set up perfect.
Oh, those things are all there.
So we probably want the airbag on it to center it before we tighten everything up.
That's a pretty good idea they had.
Yeah.
Just clamp it around the bump stop.
I didn't realize it had a lip on it, but.
And then your bump stop becomes your airbag becomes your bump stop.
Sweet. Except we got to bolt the plate on because it bolts up through.
Happy with that?
That's a pretty sweet kit. Pretty easy to bolt on once you see the vision. Just takes a minute to lay everything out. Nothing's tight yet, but there's adjustment in everything. So that's in where we want it. I'm gonna mark it because we have to take it back out, tighten the airbag to that plate. But that's one side pretty much complete. We'll hurry and get the other side in and look for where the air compressor goes, I think. I haven't went that far in the book yet.
I've been wandering under it trying to find a place, but I don't know. It's going in here.
All right. We need the nut tightened on the top.
What size is it?
There's one more up there.
Oh, tight. That could work, right? Yep, that could work. Probably going to. These new trucks, they're tight. They've used up all the real estate everywhere, so we'll make it all fit. Hunter, we should go out and show them our how good our stuff works. We got the flashing all done. You guys better come check this out. Not so good here, where there's nothing. We've got some stuff parked in the way now. This is like in the last 20 minutes.
Yeah. We drove.
Yeah. Oh! Did you just eat it? Holy. Look at this. Dry. No drips. No more water in the shop. Your dune buggy's getting a little snow in the front of it.
It is slightly, but
We may go snow wheeling today.
good.
That looks slick right there.
It is. The other side's pretty well wrapped up, so we'll hurry and stab this one. Wow.
Oh, we gotta take that little bumpy stop thing off of there. You're a funny guy, Hunter.
It's pretty
Funny guy. I may just use self-tappers and put it to the frame with that. Probably so. See if we can get this in. Go back up. Well,
Me. I didn't do it.
power's out. It was a matter of time. Oh, it's back. Hurry, go up while it's working. That'll do. All right. You're gonna have to come hold this. Okay. Goes right there.
With that up or
Nope, sideways. Other sideways. I would like to miss that if I can miss that. But I don't know that I can. Nope. It's gonna go where it's gonna fit.
be above it?
Yeah, go if you can go above it.
Well, we hit right. It's happy right there.
Not rubbing anything because I don't want to listen to it vibrate. Well, we'll see how good a drill bits these have on them. That's what I thought. About that good. We'll need a drill. It's not rubbing. I like it. Cool, thank you. Pretty sure that's how I did that last time. All right, we're just getting all the mounts built for the tank so I can bolt it in the truck. And then it's just a matter of like hooking stuff up and plumbing it and we see if this works.
Both airbags are in. We're on the passenger side. I think the air tank and whatever the controller, computer are gonna go hopefully right there. So we're gonna start running some air lines. We've got to cross over The pump's on the other side. We'll just stay on top of this cross member, top of the fuel tank, away from the exhaust, so nothing melts. How about that? Maybe on the back farther. Like there. Oh yeah, got it. Oh, got it. Good work. I think we're close, man. As long as we didn't get dirt or grease on that baby. Perfect.
It's funner than first thought.
We got the controller mounted. Paul got the tank mounted. That's what the top of it looks like. So yeah, we're just gonna cut it, plug it in the second back, the left side. So that far. And then we'll start running the compressor, this other bag. We'll get everything ran real quick.
I think we're all wired up and ready to turn power on. There's the remote. Let's put some power to it and see if we can hear the air compressor clatter, and then we'll go through and program everything. So there's also an app you can get on your phone to run this. But you gotta know your Apple ID number, and evidently I don't know that. I thought I did, but we'll use Hunter's phone. Turning her on. Maybe. All right. Do we need to know anything special here?
I'm not sure.
I don't have the pump running.
There it is.
Just turned the tank on. So we're at max 135. It shuts off at 90. I like that.
It's not a loud one either.
That was a pretty quiet pump.
Yeah.
16 psi in the tank currently. So are the airbags full? Look and see.
We got some.
Yeah. Look, I can take it. 5 is the, what that is.
So is 5 the minimum?
Yeah, it looks like 5's the minimum. Yeah. We're at 100 psi. How come it's, there we go. Now we're going down. Cool. Yeah, you can change each bag or leave them. There's 10 psi going into their bags.
You can watch it on the gauges on here on the
What do you
app.
see on that?
Shows it, it's going
We're
down, but I don't know what the 23 and 26 is flashing.
jump on that right there. Just jump on the truck on one side or the other. Oh yeah.
Pressure goes up.
It changes it. Oh, the pump shut off. Trying to find my target range of 9 pounds. Got the left one right.
Yeah, the left's
The other side's
on it.
going to the moon.
I don't know. It's doing what it's supposed to, I guess. Computers, man.
So when you get it set 1, I guess you can click the M1 and that will set it in a memory.
Yeah.
So if you get it, and then M2 is the same thing.
Yeah, M2's set at 50 right now.
Okay.
So we're getting targeted right here. We're almost there. Maybe. It's having a hard time landing. We've got this pretty much figured out. We've got them set. We're running, I had 22 in it. I'm airing them down to 8. We'll see what it does here. We had a small air leak. We fixed that, which is pretty good for us, really. I don't know what it's doing. It's computer stuff,
yeah.
basically. It does what it wants. I know what I told it to do. We'll see if it does it. I don't know if it's gonna do it or not.
Is the key on?
On 6.
No. Operator error. I forgot to send it to the computer. You have to tell it. We only had 29 and it's trying to, it's the solenoid saying, I need air. And we only had 29 and it was higher than that. So it'll set it at 8 because we have 8 PSI in here. Yeah.
Did it just bleed some off of the other bag?
Yeah,
to put in the...
if you don't hold that button down and send what you tell it to, or tell it to, it's not gonna do it. Operator error, minor stuff. It needed power, so 8 pounds in the bags. The system's built, so we can take it for a test drive. see how it rides. Real test is going to be once we hook onto a trailer, and we're going to do this video. Next time you see us, basically, we're going to have a big trailer hooked on. We'll be headed towards Lake Havasu to go get the truck dynoed. So, not this truck. I don't care what this one does, it pulls a trailer. But the tow truck, we're going to go dyno it. So, next time, we'll go do that. All right, so I think the airbags on this thing was a good idea. Firestone seems to be working good, man. All the little controller, everything's awesome inside. No cutting, no nothing. It worked out. So if you're interested, check them out. They work pretty good. We're gonna continue on our drive, but this video, we're done. So thanks for watching.